Imagine hosting a gathering where everyone can customize their meal right at the table. With the electric hot pot, you can do just that. This innovative cooking device features a non-stick divider, allowing you to prepare 2 different broths simultaneously. Whether you prefer a spicy Sichuan flavor on one side and a mild chicken broth on the other, the options are endless. The adjustable temperature control ensures that your ingredients cook perfectly, whether you're boiling noodles, simmering vegetables, or grilling meats. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to its non-stick surface. Plus, it's compact enough to fit on any dining table, making it perfect for family dinners or cozy get-togethers with friends. Imagine the laughter and conversations as everyone gathers around, dipping their favorite ingredients into the bubbling pot. This electric hot pot isn't just a cooking appliance, it's a centerpiece for unforgettable culinary experiences. Get ready to elevate your dining game. Order now by now link in the description.